My God, okay, guys.
Bim! Me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Bim! My mama.
Counting down. Here we go. The escalator, and I'm heading up to Burlington. As I know, what's the line? That's some nice coffee fruit. Get like a 14 now. Now I'm on the 4th floor of Burlington. Wow, this is cute cup. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Oh my goodness, this is $3.99. It's a very cute one. I love the wording on it. Okay.
The next day.
So this bag right here is my Old Navy stuff that I got. And this one very big bag here is from Burlington. So I'll take you through a few things. So I got these pants from Old Navy. These are a size 6. They're a little bit big, but there they are. Like we have. So this pants here is a size 4. It's also high waist, straight line. They're very comfortable. They also have stretch in them. This is also a Old Navy. This is size 6. Also high waist. This is also Old Navy, just regular fit jeans.